Your Tesco Mobile account number is a unique identifier, typically 8 to 10 digits long, crucial for managing your account. You'll need it for tasks like topping up, changing contracts, or contacting customer support. This video will guide you through 3 methods to find it: via the Tesco Mobile app, your bill, digital or paper, and by contacting customer support via email. As of 2025, the easiest and fastest methods are using the Tesco Mobile app. First, the app method. Download the Tesco Mobile app available on iOS and Android. Log in using your Tesco account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Details tab. Your account number will be displayed there. Second, the bill method. Check your latest bill, either a paper bill you receive in the mail or a digital bill sent to your email. The account number is usually located at the top or in the account summary section. Finally, the email method. If you can't access the app or your bill, you can email Tesco Mobile customer support. Visit tescomobile.com/contact us and use the chatbot-assisted email system. Provide necessary verification details like your mobile number and postcode. Remember to only use official Tesco Mobile channels to avoid phishing scams.